Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the world of omega-3 fatty acids and the 9 foods that are packed with them. Now, you might be wondering, why all the fuss about omega-3s? Well, personally, I think they're like the unsung heroes of our diet, quietly supporting our brain function and heart health. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. First, let's talk about what omega-3s are and why they matter. Omega-3s are a type of fatty acid that plays a crucial role in maintaining our overall health. They're like the body's maintenance crew, keeping our hearts healthy, ensuring our brains function optimally, and even reducing inflammation. Now, there are different types of omega-3 fatty acids, but the 3 main ones we're interested in today are ALA, EPA, and DHA. ALA is like the plant-based cousin of omega-3s, found in foods like chia seeds, walnuts, and flax seeds. Then we have EPA and DHA, which are the long-chain omega-3s that our bodies crave and get from oily fish. Now, here's the thing. While ALA is great, it's EPA and DHA that really pack the punch. They're the active ingredients we're after when it comes to brain function and heart health. So, how do we get our hands on these powerful fatty acids? Well, that's where food comes into play. Let's talk about the 9 foods that are high in omega-3s and how they can benefit us. First up, we have salmon. Smoked salmon is a simple yet delicious way to get your omega-3 fix. It's perfect for a quick lunch, and it pairs amazingly well with scrambled or poached eggs. Next, we've got mackerel. Smoked mackerel is easy to find and can be added to salads, making it a versatile and tasty option. Sardines are another fantastic choice. Canned sardines are affordable and incredibly versatile. You can toss them in tomato sauce or have them on toast, or even make a creamy dip with soft cheese and oil. Moving on, we have tuna. While fresh tuna might be a bit pricier, it's worth the splurge once in a while. Tuna steaks are simple to cook, just pan-fry them for a couple of minutes on each side. Edamame beans are another great option. You can easily add a handful to your stir-fry, salad, or soup. Chia seeds, though a bit expensive, are worth the investment. Soaking them in yogurt overnight creates a delicious breakfast option. Flax seeds are another excellent choice, and they can be stirred into yogurt or muesli for a quick and healthy boost. Now, if you're not a fan of the above, don't worry. Walnuts are a fantastic snack, and they can be used to make a mouth-watering mohammed dip with breadcrumbs, roasted red peppers, and olive oil. This dip will keep in the fridge for a few days and is a great accompaniment to any meal. Lastly, we have fortified products. Eggs from hens fed an omega-3 rich diet and fish fingers and butter fortified with omega-3s are excellent sources of these essential fatty acids. But here's the catch. While these foods are great, it's important to note that some omega-3 supplements might not live up to their high-strength claims. A recent investigation by which found that some premium-priced supplements contain surprisingly low levels of EPA and DHA, which are the active ingredients we're after. So, while it's great to incorporate these foods into your diet, it's also worth considering your omega-3 intake from natural sources. In conclusion, omega-3 fatty acids are like the silent guardians of our health, supporting our brain function and heart health. By incorporating these 9 foods into our diet, we can ensure we're getting the active ingredients we need. So, the next time you're at the grocery store, remember to stock up on these omega-3 rich foods. Your body will thank you for it. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video insightful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more health and wellness content.